Hi, you're welcome to Kammy Designs. Let's make creativity super easy for you. Hello guys, you are welcome to back to this channel. So before we dive into an interesting juicy content that we have today, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are wrong. So before we get started, I want you to click the subscribe button, click it, like and share, and hit the notification button to know when we post our next video. So today I want to teach smartphone graphic designers. Let's say you have a design that you have a design, and after printing it, it doesn't like really come out. Or you have heard about RGB and CMYK. For CMYK is mostly you can set it in CorelDRAW to able to print your design. But for smartphone designers, I have good news for you. I have a way I convert my designs to CMYK, and it comes out very, very beautiful. Someone will not even know that it was designed with smartphone. So if this is what interests you, let's get started. So first of all, what I'm going to do now is I've already finished designing. I have the design in my phone. So I'm just going to go to my design gallery and pick one design there and convert it. So what we are going to do is go to Chrome. Okay, so let's go to Photopea right now. We go to photopea.com. From this is the interface that will come out. Okay, so this is the interface that will come out. And but if you don't want the interface to be like this, you want the interface to look like as if it's on a laptop. So what you're going to do is to click on this three icon, come down here, scroll down and click on this desktop. So once you click on this desktop side, this interface will look like this, as if it's on a laptop. But I don't want it to be like this. I want to work with it in a phone mode. So I'm going to go to this three icon again and on highlight this desktop site. It moves back to its original state like a phone, like how it would look like on a phone. So let me continue. So what I'm going to do now is go to file. I'm going to import the design I've already done on my phone that I want to convert to CMYK. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to go to open from computer. You get, so click on open from computer. Then this is, I'll go to my photos and videos. So I'm going to find the design, go to my gallery, then go to album. I'm going to find the album of what I have designed. So let's go to album. So this is my album. So I'm going to find any designs that interest me. So let's use this design. So I'll click on this good icon. So I've already uploaded the design I did on Pixel Lab. So this design was actually done on Pixel Lab, and I've already imported it from my gallery. Remember what I did? I clicked on open from computer and went to my gallery and was able to import it. So when I'm done, what you're going to do next is to click on this image, then click on mode. Then if you click on mode, you are going to see RGB, CMYK, 16 bits and 32 bits channel. So I'm going to go to CMYK, you get. Then I'll go to image again, go to mode, click on 13 bits, click on 16 bits, sorry. So if you click on 16 bit, this has already been converted to CMYK. If you go to image now, go to mode, you see it's already on CMYK and 16 bits. So what next am I going to do before like exporting it? So you have to save this in at 300 dpi. You get, so 300 dpi, so that the quality will be very high. But sometimes if I save my design here on 300 dpi, sometimes it's very hard to save and it starts hanging. So what I do is I just use 150. So you can use 150, you can use 200. So I'm going to use 150 for the sake of this tutorial. So but try on your phone. If your 300 dpi doesn't hang, then you can go on. So I'll click on image, I'll go to image size, then I will see what I'm saying. So this is the how the whole interface is. So I'll come to 300, this DPI that is 72. I'm going to clean it. I'm going to put 150. Okay, so just type off. You see that it has increased. You get it? So you click on OK. So I'll click on OK and wait. You have to be very patient with Photopea. Okay, so I will click on OK. Just click on it again until it leaves. So let's wait for some time. So that's what we have. You see, it has already been converted. Don't click anything on this interface. Your file is already on CMYK and is already on 150 dpi or 200 dpi or 300 dpi, depending on what you set it. So what you're going to do next now is go to file, then click on export as. So you have to export either as PDF or JPEG format. If you want your printing to come out very high quality, you have to click on either PDF or JPEG format. Do you get? So I'm going to click on JPEG. I want to use JPEG. Do you get? So I want to use JPEG format. So it's already on JPEG. Then you wait. You have to be very patient with Photopea, like I said earlier. So I click on JPEG and wait. Okay, so click on it again. Just be patient with it. So see what we have now. Okay, so it has already been like this. So we have it now. So it's on 68%. So make sure that you shift this to 100. Okay, so ensure that this reaches 100%. Yeah, so it has already reached 100%. So ensure that it reaches 100%. So just scroll, slide it to 100%. You can also rename this. I don't want to rename this file. I don't want this F2P to hang. So you see this even say converting 16 bits to 18-bit color. So everything is already set. I'm going to click on save. Just click on save and wait. You have to be very patient with Photopea, like I said earlier. Okay, it says Photopea wants to download multiple times. Let me just say allow because I want to show something. Okay, it has already downloaded. I cancel this one. So let me open. You see that it is 4 point something MB. So let me open it. So if I open it, this is the one that we downloaded as this is the design. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to send it to myself on WhatsApp, okay, so that you see what I'm saying. So what you're now going to do next is you go to your WhatsApp. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do now is, let me say I want to send it to the person that is going to print the design. So let me send the file to the person that will print it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my WhatsApp. I'm going to find myself because I'm sending it to myself. Okay, so just find the person that you are sending it to. You get, so this is me actually. So this is myself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on file. So I'm going to go to document. Then I'm going to go to browse. So when I browse, I'll wait for my file to load. So I'm going to click on the second file. So I'm going to click on it, and you see it's already in JPEG and it's 4.7 as we downloaded. So I'm going to send it to the person that I want to send it to. So if the person prints it like this, is going to come out in a very good quality, high quality, like people will not even know that the design was done with a smartphone. So this is a very good secret I've been using for a while. So, and I want other designers to also enjoy it, other smartphone designers to enjoy it like me. So if this video interests you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and click the notification bell to know when we post our next video. See you in our next video. Bye.